Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? At 104.
I feel very happy. I never knew I could reach it.
Wow.
Well, I feel very good and happy.
She is feeling good and happy, and I feel the same way. I am blessed to have a mother who has reached this. I have many friends who would have wished for this day, but life is uncertain. And so we just have to give God the glory and thank Him for the blessing. I consider it a blessing for us and also for her as we journey down that road. And I'm not looking forward to 104, but if I should get there, I would give thanks as well. Lena has been a great mom, not only to her children, but to everybody who crossed her path. She provides for us and the rest of the family, and whatever she has, she doesn't think twice to share it with others.
Happy